Happy morning to all of you. Welcome back again in Sri Ganesh Online Education Series. Dear students, from yesterday we have started new teaching method of completing work of the saints. So I hope all are getting this smoother and simple for learning. Okay, so see, yesterday we have completed question number 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so today we are going to see question number 9. So open your workbooks, page number 14. What is your workbooks, page number 14? Write short notes on the following in 3 to 4 sentences each. Here 4 is there, spelling mistake is there. 3 to 4 sentences each. Okay. Sant Namdev. We have to write information. Short notes means we have to write just simple information about that person or about that thing. That is called short notes. Okay. So first of all, we have to write about Sant Namdev. See, Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Lord Vitthal. He composed songs and performed kirtans. Here F is here, perform kirtans. He moved all over Maharashtra to spread Bhagavad Dharma. He taught the people to have deep devotion to God. He instilled in them the desire to protect their religion. Some of his verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of Sikh. Okay, like this. Then second one is Santa Jnaneshwar. Jnaneshwar was born in 12 1275, or we can say 1275 AD at Apega. He started working for the welfare of the people on advice of his sister. He advised the people to treat everyone alike, to people the poor and reveal their misery. He wrote the Jnaneshwari in Marathi. He took Samadhi at Alandi near Pune at a very early age. Okay. Now, Sant Eknath. Okay, in your workbook, Sant Jnaneshwar it is not given. Sant Eknath is there directly. Sant Eknath lived in Paitan. He preached that devotion was the way to reach God. He taught people not to make any distinction between the high and low. He made friends with the poor and the downtrodden. He exhorted the people to love all living beings and practice what he preached. Okay. Then 4 number Santa Tukaram, means in your workbook third number it is now. Santa Tukaram came from Dehu near Pune. He sang songs in praise of Lord Vitthal and visited Pandarpur. Santa Tukaram visited Pandarpur. He wrote devotional songs, that is Abhanga, and performed kirtans. He taught the virtues of piety, forgiveness, and peace of mind. He also gave the message of equality and brotherhood. Okay. Next one, Samartha Ramdas. Samartha Ramdas was born at Jam on the bank of river Godavari in Maharashtra. Through his great book Das Bodh, he taught people the way of good life. Through his Manache Shlok, he taught people the importance of good thoughts and good conduct. He raised many temples of Hanuman, the god of strength. He advised people to be united and strong to fight against injustice. Here fight is there. What is the spelling? Fight. Yes, little spelling mistake is there. What we have to write? Fight. Okay. Then Sri Chakradhar Swami. Sri Chakradhar Swami. See, Sri Chakradhar Swami was a prince who became a ascetic. He moved all over Maharashtra and preached equality. He did not believe in caste and gender discrimination. He established the Mahanubhav sect. Memorable incidents in his life have been compiled in Leela Charitra. Okay. Now, question number 10. Give answers in 3 or 4 sentences. Okay. So, our first question is, why did Sant Jnaneshwar lock himself in his hut? Why did Sant Jnaneshwar lock himself in his hut? So, answer is Sant Jnaneshwar's father had taken sannyas and thereafter returned home and started living with his wife. The narrow minded people persecuted their children. When Jnaneshwar went round the town, he had to listen to abusive language instead of receiving alms. Alms means food. Young Jnaneshwar was deeply pained and locked himself in his hut to grieve over his lot. Okay? Understood? This question was there in unit test exam also. Now, second question, what message did Sant Tukaram give? Answer, Sant Tukaram preached the Sant Tukaram preached the virtues of piety, forgiveness and peace of mind to the people. He also gave the message of equality to them. He impressed upon the people that he alone is a saint and God dwells with him, who calls the weak and the downtrodden as his own. Okay, understood? Very good. Now, last question. Write the effect of work done by the sun. The teaching of saints awake the people. They receive hope, faith, and self reliance in people. People regain their lost confidence. This great awakening among the people, brought about by the sons, helped Shivaji in his fight of Swaraj. Okay, so like this, we have completed our workbooks, chapter number 2nd. All have to complete it properly. Okay, and same, what homework you have to do now? Same workbooks photo you are going to send me on schools group as you have completed. Okay, understood? Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.